Hi, Harry. Thanks for being at Itanta booth. What is the impression of the new PTI product from Itanta?
Oh, very impressive. I mean, one of the best and most usable technologies that we saw here at ProveIt. I think these guys really have something that can prove it.
Super. And how does it pair it with ThatSoft or other systems on the market?
Yeah, absolutely. Each product has their own space, and we think PTI is positioned well to really be a analytics and high level reporting tool for that supervisor and beyond. So
Super. And how does it differentiate from other analytics vendors on the market with what you have seen today at ProveIt?
yeah, I think the big standout thing is the usability. The not complex, something that you can hop. If you understand how to prompt, you can build very meaningful reporting analytics with the tool. So
Super. Thank you so much.
you're welcome.